kay sarap. Sarap nitong buhay, kay sarap nitong buhay, nabigay sa atin ng Diyos, nabigay sa atin ng Diyos, nabigay sa atin ng Diyos, sa atin ng Diyos. Edwin Estaranjo, my father's name, died in 2013. My mama and papa, the apple of my eye, and the whole family. Ayaw kong mawalay sa kanila, dahil mahal na mahal ko sila. I love to sing a song for the glory of the Lord. Taking care of cats and dogs, sleeping with my cats in beds are things that I love to do. I love to hike mountains and stargazing at night. Watching videos online, Christian movies in TV are my favorite hobbies all along. Thank you. Mananatili kailan pa man, suliranin man ay dumating, ikaw lang